Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to study human urinary system. First of all, what are the major components of human urinary system? Four major components. Number one, kidneys. Number two, ureters. Then number three, urinary bladder. And number four is urethra. We can see here in the diagram, these are two kidneys, right kidney, left kidney. From each kidney, there arises a duct called ureter. Ureter from both kidneys extend down and open into urinary bladder. Urinary bladder open to the exterior through urethra. These are the four components of human urinary system. Now, we discuss all of these one by one. First of all, kidneys. As we know, in human being, there is a pair of kidneys, and these kidneys are composed of millions of small tubes. You can see here in this diagram, this red coil tubule. These are the function units of the kidney called nephrons. First of all, in human being, there is a pair of kidneys which are composed of millions of function units called nephrons. Then, what is the location of kidney? Location of kidneys in the human. In human being, kidneys are present on the dorsal side of the body cavity, just above the waistline. जो हमारी बैक साइड है वो डॉर्सल साइड है. On the dorsal side of the body cavity, just above the waistline, one on either side of the vertebral column. Right kidney on the right side of the vertebral column, left kidney on the left side of the vertebral column. उन दोनों के बीच में बैकबोन है, वर्टिबल कॉलम है, जो यहाँ नहीं दिखाया गया. राइट किडनी on the right side and left kidney on the left side of the vertebral column. Right kidney lies slightly lower than the left one. Right kidney left kidney से थोड़ा सा नीचे present होती है. So this is about the location of the human kidneys. Human kidneys are located in the dorsal side of the body cavity, just above the waistline, one on either side of the vertebral column, and right kidney lies slightly lower than the left one. Then what is the shape of human kidney? What is the shape? As we can see, human kidney is bean shaped. Human kidney is bean shaped. One side is convex, other side is concave. Concave side of each kidney is toward the vertebral column. Concave side faces the vertebral column. Concave side vertebral column की तरफ होती है, whereas convex side is away from the vertebral column. Human kidney is bean shaped, one side convex, other concave. Concave side is toward the vertebral column, whereas convex side is away from the vertebral column. अगर इस जगह पर vertebral column है, तो concave side vertebral column की तरफ होगी और convex side away from the vertebral column. Then, what is the size, approximate size of human kidney? Human kidney are 12 centimeter long, 6 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter thick. तकरीबन 12 सेंटीमीटर लंबी, 6 सेंटीमीटर चौड़ी और 3 सेंटीमीटर मोटी होती है. 12 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 6 सेंटीमीटर वाइड एंड 3 सेंटीमीटर thick. Blood supply. How is human kidney is supplied with blood? Human kidneys have extensive blood supply, and this blood is supplied via renal artery. You can see in both these diagrams, this red one is renal artery, right renal artery, this is left renal artery, and both these arteries, renal arteries, arise from the dorsal aorta. So renal arteries supply blood to the kidneys. And then blood is drained from the kidney. Kidney से blood वापस कैसे आता है? By renal vein, which open into the inferior vena cava. हमने ये पढ़ा kidneys have extensive blood supply, and blood is supplied to each kidney via renal artery, and blood leaves the kidney via renal vein. The function of blood, the function of kidney is filtration of blood and processing the filtrate into urine. The functional importance of kidney is evident from the fact that weight of kidney accounts for less than 1% the total body weight, while it receives 20% blood supplied with each cardiac cycle. The functional importance of kidney is evident from the fact that kidney receives 20% blood supply during each cardiac cycle, although the weight is only 1% of the total weight of the body. अगरचे किडनीज का वजन जो है वो बॉडी के टोटल वजन का सिर्फ 1% होता है या उससे भी कम, लेकिन हर कार्डियक साइकिल के दौरान किडनी में 20% ब्लड आता है. इससे इनकी फंक्शनल इंपॉर्टेंस जाहिर होती है. इससे पता चलता है कि किडनी ब्लड को फिल्टर करते हैं. The functional importance of kidney is evident from the fact that each kidney receives 20% blood supply during each cardiac cycle, although its weight is only 1% of the total weight of the body. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, function of the kidney is filtration of blood and then processing of the filtrate to form urine. Blood is filtered here in the nephron, which are the function units of the kidney. ये पूरी किडनी जो है इस किस्म के नेफ्रॉन से भरी पड़ी है. Filtration occurs here, and after filtration, that filtrate is converted into urine. After filtration and processing of the filtrate into urine, this urine is collected by the tubular system, and tubular system carry this urine into the central cavity, which is the pelvis. नेफ्रॉन ब्लड को फिल्टर करने के बाद, यूरिन बनाने के बाद, मुख्तलिफ किस्म के ट्यूब्स के जरिए, डक्ट्स के जरिए यूरिन किडनी की सेंटर वाली कैविटी में दाखिल होता है। इस सेंट्रल कैविटी को पेल्वस कहते हैं। दिस पेल्वस इज एक्चुअली द डायलेटेड पार्ट ऑफ द यूरेटर. When ureter enters the kidney, it is dilated. This dilated part of the kidney, which dilated part of the ureter, dilated part of the ureter inside the kidney, which form the central cavity, is the pelvis. Urine is collected here in the pelvis, and then from the pelvis it enters the ureter, from the ureter in the urinary bladder, and finally to the exterior through the urethra. As we have learned that from the concave side of each kidney, a duct called ureter emerges. Ureter from both the kidneys drain into urinary bladder through ureteral orifice. The opening of the ureter into the urinary bladder is called ureteral orifice. Urine leaves the urinary bladder through a tube called urethra. And this urethra empties their vagina in case of female, and it passes through the penis in case of male. As we can see here, at the junction of urinary bladder and urethra, there is a sphincter muscle. This sphincter holds the urine in the urinary bladder for some time. One thing more, at the concave side of each kidney, this is concave side, there is depression. This depression at the concave side of each kidney, there is a depression. This depression is called hilus. अगर हम यूं इस तरह से किडनीज ड्रा करते हैं, तो ये जो डिप्रेशन बनता है टुवर्ड द कंकेव साइड, दिस इज कॉल्ड hilus. Depression on the concave side of each kidney is called hilus. This is the place from where ureter, renal vein, renal artery, as well as nerves emerge from the kidney. तो वो आपसे पूछ सकता है एग्जामिनर, व्हाट इज हाइलस? तो हमने ये बताना है, on the concave side of each kidney there is depression. Depression called hilus. It is the place from where ureter, renal vein, renal artery, and nerve emerge from the kidneys. This is all about component of morphology of human urinary system. I can repeat it again. हमने इसको कैसे लिखना है आप देख लें। सबसे पहले हम ये बताएंगे कि ह्यूमन यूरिनरी सिस्टम कंप्राइजेस ऑफ पेयर ऑफ किडनीज, पेयर ऑफ यूरेटर्स, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा। इसके बाद किडनी की एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हुए किडनी की हेडिंग बनाएंगे। ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज पेयर ऑफ किडनीज composed of function units called नेफ्रॉन। किडनी की लोकेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। Kidneys are present on the dorsal side of the body cavity, just above the waistline, one on either side of the vertebral column. जैसे मैंने बताया, एक किडनी वर्टिबल कॉलम के राइट साइड पे, दूसरा लेफ्ट साइड पे। फिर हमने किडनी की शेप के बारे में बताना है। ह्यूमन किडनीज आर बीन शेप, वन साइड कन्वेक्स, other concave. Concave side faces the vertebral column, whereas convex side lie away from the vertebral column. क्योंकि दो किडनी के दरमियान में वर्टिबल कॉलम होता है, इसलिए हर किडनी की कंकेव साइड वर्टिबल कॉलम की तरफ है और कन्वेक्स साइड वर्टिबल कॉलम के अवे होगी। साइज बता दें, 12 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 6 सेंटीमीटर वाइड और 3 सेंटीमीटर थिक। फिर ये भी बता दें कि किडनी को ब्लड की सप्लाई कैसे होती है। किडनीज आर सप्लाइड विद extensive blood via renal arteries and blood leaves each kidney via renal vein. The functional importance of kidney is evident from the fact that kidneys receive 20% blood supply during each cardiac cycle, although the weight of kidney is just 1% of the total weight of the body. एक लाइन में किडनी का फंक्शन बता दें, वर्किंग बाद में पढ़ेंगे हम। The function of kidney is filtration of blood and processing into urine. This काम नेफ्रॉन के जरिए होता। In the nephron of kidney, blood is filtered and further processed in the tubular system to form urine. Then, after the formation of urine in the nephron, urine is collected in the central cavity of the kidney called pelvis. Examiner आपसे ये भी पूछ सकता है, what is pelvis? तो हमने ये बताना है, the central cavity of kidney is called pelvis. It is actually the dilated part of the ureter inside the kidney. Then जो सेकंड कंपोनेंट था किडनी का, यूरिनरी सिस्टम का यूरेटर, हमने ये पढ़ा कि फ्रॉम द कंकेव साइड ऑफ ईच किडनी देयर अराइजेस अ डक्ट कॉल्ड यूरेटर। थर्ड कंपोनेंट यूरिनरी सिस्टम का यूरिनरी ब्लैडर। Ureter from each kidney extend down and open into urinary bladder through ureteral orifice. और फोर्थ कंपोनेंट यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का यूरेथ्रा। Urine leaves the urinary bladder through a small duct, small tube called urethra. जैसे हमने पढ़ा, urethra empties near vagina in case of female, whereas in case of male it passes through the penis. At the junction of urethra and bladder, there is a sphincter muscle which control the urine in the bladder. और एक बात मैंने आखिर में ये भी बताई कि what is hilus? On the concave side of each kidney, there is a depression which is called hilus, or hilus is a position from where ureter, blood vessels and nerves emerge. This is all about human urinary system. उसकी मॉर्फोलॉजी हमने पढ़ी, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर, नेफ्रॉन का स्ट्रक्चर, उनके फंक्शन हम आने वाले लेसन में पढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।